All kinds of goodies in here. Two radios. Got a key mic for each one of them. Has 3 different size antennas. This is the longest one, and this is the medium one. Headset. You can put these rubber boots on them, protect them. You can charge them. USB to C. Clips that you can put on the back side to clip it and turn it on.
Welcome. Channel mode. Welcome. Channel mode.
Roger that. Come on back. Anyway, the walkie-talkies, they'll do weather channels. You can scan to see if anybody else is on any channels. You can talk to them. Let's see.
On.
Oh, and also too, FM radio. Yeah.
Off.
That's pretty cool. There's your flashlight.
On.
Anyway, it's pretty good little radio. It's pretty neat. Here's where you put your mic and all that over here on this side. Charge it up. USB to C. Anyway, I'm James, and these are two-way radios.